In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add Google search in WordPress. So, in case you didn't know, WordPress has a built-in search engine for your site, but it's not very optimized. You can work around it by adding the Google search engine to your website. To do that, all you have to do is go to your WordPress dashboard, go to your plugins, then click on Add New. In the search bar, you're going to type WP Google Search and press Enter. And this is the plugin. Click on Install Now to start the installation. When the installation is complete, this button is going to change to Activate. Click on it to activate the plugin. And once the plugin is activated, you get redirected to the plugins page. Now go to Settings, and then click on WP Google Search. So here you need to add the Google Search Engine ID, which you can get by visiting Google's custom search engine. Just click on this link here, and it's going to redirect you to the Google custom search engine site. From here, click on Get Started. And then here you need to enter your website's URL. Next, you can select the language from here. And you can give this search engine a name here. Then click on Create. Now, to get the code, click on the Control panel, scroll down, and you can see the search engine ID is here. So copy this ID. You can also change the look of the search engine by clicking here on Look and Feel. I'll select Results Only for now, but you can look around for customizations. Then, when you're done, click on Save. Now, back in the plugin settings, paste the ID here. And then click on Save. Now let's add the search engine on the website as a widget. Go to Appearance, and then click on Widget. Drag and drop the WP Google Search widget on the sidebar. And you're done. Let's go to the website and see it in action. And as you can see, the Google search engine was added. I'll just search for something. And there you go. The Google search results are shown. This is how you can add Google search in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap that bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.